Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Do you know how to calculate the area of a trapezoid? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to solve this problem really quickly. Let's get started. Take a look at this figure. We have a trapezoid with a longer base of 30, a shorter base of 12, and a height of 15. The formula for the area of a trapezoid is the longer base plus the shorter base times the height divided by 2. Now let's substitute the values. Area equals, in total, 30 plus 12 times 15 divided by 2. 30. First, let's solve what's inside the parentheses. So 30 plus 12 equals 42. So now we have area equals 42 times 15 divided by 2. Let's do the math here. 42 times 15. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. Now just repeat the numbers. We have 2 and 4. 0, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. So 42 times 15 equals 630. Now we have area equals 630 divided by 2. So let's do this calculation now. 630 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, yes, that's 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract 6, 0. 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract from 3, 1. Bring down the 0. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract from 10, 0. So, the area is equal to 315 square centimeters. That's the answer. Quick and easy. Well, if you liked it, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you would have solved this problem on your own. See you in the next video.